everyone. So the moment that you all were waiting for has finally arrived. जिसका आप सबको बहुत बेसब्री से इंतजार था, वो मोमेंट आ गया है, वो नोटिफिकेशन आ गया है. Yes, I'm talking about NTA UGC NET notification. That is, your exams will be conducted very soon. So let's see the notification that has come today only. Here it is saying that due to the postponement of December 2020 UGC NET examination in view of COVID-19, the schedule of June 2021 UGC NET has been delayed. That means now when the exams will be there, it will be a combination of December 2020 cycle as well as June 2021 cycle. अब इस नोटिफिकेशन से आपको एग्जाम फॉर्म कैसे फिल करना है. अगर आपने दिसंबर 2020 में ऑलरेडी फॉर्म्स फिल कर दिए हैं तो आपको फिर से एग्जाम फॉर्म नहीं फिल करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू रीफिल योर एग्जाम फॉर्म बिकॉज एनटीए ऑलरेडी हैज योर डेटा. दे डोंट हैव टू लर्न योर डेटा. एंड if you have not filled the exam forms till now ever, like from December 2020 till now, then you can fill your exam forms from 10th August to 5th September 2021. So I would suggest that please do not wait for the last day, for the teachers day, to fill your exam forms. Please be on time so that you can speed up with your exam preparation. And well, yes, you have ample of time till now also. If you start all your revision and completion of your course now also, you have a sufficient amount of time. That is, your examination will be from 6th October to 11th October. आपकी एग्जाम 6th October से 11th October तक होंगी. एंड उससे पहले पहले एग्जाम फॉर्म्स फिल कर देना है. एंड करेक्शन विंडो विल ओपन फ्रॉम 7th September to 12th September. Then you will get your admit cards and then exam. Exams will be in 2 shifts. That is, first shift 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and second shift 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That doesn't mean कि आपका 2 बार एग्जाम होगा. आपका एग्जाम एक ही बार होगा. आपको एग्जाम में अपीयर एक ही बार करना है. बट कौन से शिफ्ट में, ये एनटीए एडमिट कार्ड में डिक्लेयर करेंगे कि आपको कौन से शिफ्ट में और कौन सी प्लेस पर एग्जाम देना है. And one more notification is there that for JRF now the age limit has been extended to 31 year as on 1st October 2021. Mean ye extended age limit is just applicable for the current examination, not for any other exam. Whereas don't worry about the NET qualification. For NET assistant professor there is no upper age limit. आप जब तक चाहें तब तक एग्जाम दे सकते हैं. 31 years सिर्फ और सिर्फ JRF की एज लिमिट है, nothing else. So if you are at the end of your preparation or you are starting your revision and you want to solve the previous year papers, don't forget you can always follow me on Unacademy. And on Unacademy we are starting from 15th August previous year papers, 10 years papers live on Unacademy every Saturday and Sunday. We will be solving this live. And this is my profile on Unacademy. I teach paper 1 and paper 2 commerce completely on Unacademy Plus platform. So अगर आपको कोई भी यूनिट, किसी भी यूनिट के नोट्स, क्लासेस study करने हैं, then do follow me on Unacademy. The link is given in the description of this video. I cover all the 20 units of your syllabus. My paper 2 is commerce since I've qualified JRF in commerce. And this is an amazing offer, this which is valid just till today, till 11th August. That is, if you take 6-month subscription, then you will also get 2-month subscription free. And if you get 12-month subscription on Unacademy Plus platform, you will get 2 months again free. But if you want to take 1 month or 3-month subscription also, that is also available. You just need to use my referral code NIX28, which is given here, and you will get 10% discount on the Plus subscription. So here you have to use the subscription. Also do follow me on Telegram. My Telegram link is also given in the description of this video. There I will be giving you all the links, PDFs, so that you can cover your whole syllabus, and you can also talk to me on Telegram and here in the comment section. So hurry up, be prepared, happy studies, let's crack it.